Today is 27th of February, Friday. Kita sekarang dekat mana? We are at Rembau. And where are we going? Cucuk. Mana Angah? Mana Abang? Tak nampak ni apa dengan Angah? Tolak je. Mana Angah? Angah tak nampak Angah sini. Ya. We are going where?
Maidin.
Kita nak buat apa dekat Maidin?
Boleh dadu.
Boleh dadu. Diorang tak tahu tapi kita nak merayau kan Mama kan? Diorang tak tahu.
Kita nak pergi jalan-jalan.
Kita nak merayau jauh ni.
Nak beli mainan.
Mainan? Awak nak beli mainan apa?
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Apa? Saya nak main mainan dadu.
Now we are still at Rembau. So nanti apa? Nanti kita update kemudian. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Now at Maidin Senawan. Mama ngantuk, adik tak ngantuk. Angah baru bangun tidur. Aboy, Aboy ngantuk ke? Aboy tak ngantuk. Aboy lepas kena cubit, kena rotan dengan abang. Abang sleep. Abang kat mana tak? Tak nampak abang sleep.
Sini, dekat sini.
Papa nak masuk. Papa nak masuk parking sekejap. Kena bayar parking dulu.
Tapi nak pergi atas. Betul.
Pergi atas buat apa?
No.
Ya ke? Betul ke?
Dekat parking lah. Betul ke Papa?
Bayar parking dulu. Bukti kita bayar. Bukti kita bayar. Mana tu? Jadi dashcam sekejap.
Kita hantar dekat sana TV.
Apa ni? Dekat dengan lift.
Nanti kita nak excavator boleh?
Boleh. Okay, nanti kita update lagi. Bye-bye. Jam? Oh, smartnya. Ada.
Ada yang nak.
Tak payah lagi. Adik. Sekejap. Ni ngam terus. Ni labur sikit lah tapi okey lah kot. Okey. Labur sikit tak apa Yusuf?
Tak lapar, tangan je.
Tangan lagi best sikit. Okey dah tu. Boleh lipat. Come. Mama baran?
Macam mana tak baran?
Boleh tak? Oh, terror Mama. Keluar Maidin.
Yeah.
And we have bought baju raya.
Any snacks?
Yeah.
We buy some
Ngantuk, Mama.
dice. We
Papa
found
pun
some
ngantuk.
dice.
Ada dice,
We found
okay.
some dice.
Cucuk, apa tu? Cucuk, where are you? Kenapa jauh sangat? Cucuk kat situ.
Yeah.
Cucuk buat apa kat situ? Cucuk duduk.
Now we can be all the snacks and wall.
Ya, semua dah ada baju raya kan?
Kan?
Yes. Okay, sekarang ni kita nak pergi mana ni? Sebelah mana ni?
Balik rumah.
Balik rumah ke? Ya ke?
Snack.
Nanti awak tengok lagi kat mana lagi kita pergi ke?
Dekat pet shop.
Pet shop ke? Ya ke?
Lotus.
Nanti kita tengok. Dan sekarang kita dekat Senawang. The weather is very
You have
nice.
to put the camera
Blue
on.
skies.
Papa, you have to put the, oh, you have to put the camera on the car.
Tak apa. Bawah pegang tak apa. Oh, menariknya air-air dah start menjual ya. Now we're going towards the highway. Until the next update. Bye-bye. We are now entering the highway. Yeah. Tapi kita nak pergi mana ni masuk highway ni? Surprise. Cici buat apa tu? Cici duduk.
What?
Tu abang, tu Angah. Mana abang?
Right here.
Tak nampak pun abang. Dah. Okay. So we are on the highway. We are going towards KL. But what are we doing in KL? Tak ada hotel kot. Tak tahulah. Tengoklah macam mana.
Kalau jadi goodbye ke apa ke, nanti kita bincang balik.
Kita bincang. We are now in Selangor. In a place called Tanjung 12. Tanjung 12. Nampak ada Aina signboard dia tadi. So, yes, we saw the big lake and now there's industrial areas. So where's Angah? Cannot see Angah. Angah sleep ke? Angah say hi. Angah is tired because Angah is fasting. Angah puasa. Abang puasa tak? Puasa? So today is 9th Ramadan. Betul ke awak puasa 9 hari dah? 9 days dah awak puasa, betul? Oh, baguslah. Apa dengar? Tak dengar? How many minutes? Tak tahu, kita tengok dulu, okay? Maybe, I think so. So now we are still in Selangor. We are still in Selangor. So let's see after this what will happen. Goodbye.
Guys,
I'm with Adik and Abang. We are waiting for Mama because Mama is going to pray. Angah sleep. Okay, Angah is sleeping.
I would too.
Boy also is sleeping.
I am still awake. In the phone, I
Angah
changed
is
car.
sleeping. Boy is also sleeping. We are at, I don't know what this place is called. What's
There
this
is a
rest
rest
stop?
stop. It is a rest
But
stop.
what's his name, Abang? Do you know what the place's name?
The restaurant. The rest stop. The rest stop. Yeah, at the rest stop.
Rest stop. But I don't know what is the rest stop called. Okay, Johan Setia.
The
Yes, that's the
Johan
name.
Setia.
Yes, that's the name. Johan Setia.
Yeah, and I changed
Northbound.
car.
Until the next update. Bye.
Bye.
Now at GM Klang. Looking for Mama Baju Raya. Abang? Abang?
What?
Video. So now we are waiting for the elevator to go to level 3. Atau may sebut je. We are not at level 6.
Abang minum apa? Abang puasa? Abang letih? Badan tu kok.
Apa pada letih sekali?
Adik.
Hai, so kita dekat mana? Kita dekat Klang. Kita dekat Klang. Buka puasa dalam kereta. Minum air Speedmart sahaja. Sebab kita nak pergi ke Puchong lepas ni nak beli nasi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Mana kita nak beli nasi? Apa kita apa? Kita dekat kedai.
Tak kat mana? Tak kat sini. Jatuh pula. Jatuh.
Tutup lah nanti apa pula.
Bye. Until the next update. Bye. We are at Decathlon.
Can I try it?
Boleh. Yusof sini, Yusof. Yusof nak pergi mana tu? Lari-lari tu. Tengok Abang Syahid tu. Hello at Puchong Lotus going to Decathlon. I want to go to Decathlon.